In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload bank statement in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your bank transactions into Zoho Books, so you can reconcile faster and keep your books accurate with minimal manual entry. First, open Zoho Books and head to the banking section. This is your hub for all bank accounts and feeds. Yes, if you manage multiple accounts, make sure you're in the correct one where you want the transactions to land. It's a small detail, but choosing the right account up front saves time later. Next, look for the option to import statement. You'll typically find it within the banking transactions view. This is the doorway to bringing in your downloaded bank data. Before you proceed, make sure you already have your bank statement saved on your computer. Zoho Books usually supports formats like CSV, OFX, or KeyF. If you have a PDF, you'll need to export it from your bank in one of the supported file types instead. Now click. Choose File and select your statement. Pick the correct file for the date range you intend to import. It's a good practice to quickly open the file beforehand to confirm the columns are clean and properly labeled. Things like date, description, and amount. If your file includes separate debit and credit columns rather than a single amount column, that's fine. You'll handle that in the mapping step. Click. Next, to move into field mapping. Here, you'll tell Zoho Books which column in your file corresponds to each data point. Map date to your statement's date column and confirm the date format matches what's in the file. Map description to the payee or memo column so your transactions are readable later. For amounts, either map a single amount column or map separate debit and credit columns if that's how your file is structured. If you see options for balance or reference number and your file includes them, map those too for better detail. Take a moment to verify signs and formats, commas, decimal points, and currency so totals import correctly. When you're satisfied, click. Next, to preview. This screen is your last checkpoint. Scan the top and bottom of the list to confirm the date range, spot any obvious duplicates, and make sure the number of transactions looks right. Finally, click Import. Zoho Books will process the file and add the transactions to your selected bank account. After the import completes, you can return to the banking view to review the entries and start matching them against your invoices and bills. If anything looks off, you can delete the import and try again with adjusted mapping or a cleaned file. That's it. You've successfully uploaded a bank statement in Zoho Books.